Hi, my name is Katyusha, your sexuality coach. Today we are talking about tantric sexuality. What is tantric sex or tantric sexuality? Before starting to answer this question, let's define what is tantra. Classical tantra is a body of practices from many different traditions that emerged from anywhere between 500 AD to 1500 AD on Indian subcontinent. During that period of time, the majority of texts were written, and it existed in India, China, Tibet, and even Japan. Two things that distinguish Tantra from everything else that was going on in classical India back then are, the first one is everything has consciousness in it. There is no separation between divinity and materiality. It's not meant to be some sort of philosophical belief, but rather an embodied truth through practice. Number two, it asserted that the world is real. Other schools of thoughts were saying that the world is an illusion. Everything, your body, all the material existence is an illusion. In Tantra, it was the opposite. It didn't mean that they're all there is, but our bodies, our thoughts, our feelings, everything that you see, the world is real and it has truth to it. And it didn't mean that if you want to evolve spiritually, you had to avoid the physical experience and even abundance. So Tantra is a way of living our lives where we approach everything as a sacred experience. Even aspects of our lives that we perceive as negative, that feel bad, like pain and death. In tantric philosophy, it's treated as also sacred and a necessary part of our existence. In Tantra, you appear to things and to beings with fully present and with complete mindfulness. So classical Tantra is not about sex. Sexuality is definitely a part of it, but Tantra embraces the entirety of life, all aspects of life. It's about spiritual awakening. Now, the sexuality part of it and the Tantra that focuses on sexuality is called Neo-Tantra, that emerged in 1960s. I'm thinking it's actually the birth control was invented in 1960s. I wonder if it's all linked, but the teachers and the practices emerged since 1960s and later, and sort of Neo-Tantra is like the modern take on classical Tantra, because Neo-Tantric teachers thought that the philosophy and the practices are very hard to adapt for the Western world, and so they decided that we should use this very powerful, potent sexual energy to get enlightened, to awaken. So tantric sexuality teaches you how to play with masculine and feminine polarities. It teaches you about chakras and how to spread that sexual turn on and orgasmic energy when you orgasm throughout your entire body rather than keeping it in the region of genitals. So when you allow yourself to relax and flow that energy and spread that energy throughout your entire being, it fills up, literally, it feels like it fills up every cell of your body. Tantric sex is sacred. Tantric sex is bonding. It deepens your awareness and creates more intimacy between lovers. It allows a couple to see each other for who their partner truly is. Intimacy. True intimacy leads to better connection, to better sex, and to more fulfilling lives overall. So the original premise, the intention, the North Star of Tantra is to get enlightened, right? In classical Tantra, people would sit in meditation for a very long time hoping to get enlightened. In Neo-Tantra, or what we now think of Tantra in our Western world, you fuck your way to enlightenment. Which way do you prefer? Please leave me in the comments below. Please share, subscribe. I love when you comment. And I will see you shortly in my new video, and check out the free step-by-step testicle massage guide. You'll find the link below. Bye.